there she be. That's it. Not nearly as big as I was expecting, but and what you could do if you want, well, you won't be able to do that because I'll be grinding. I was gonna say this needs to come off, and I have a new one in that box, but you won't be able to do that well. There you go. In a matter of minutes, I got it cut out, and I just need to weld it in, and we're done. That went quick. I'll clean up that so I have a nice clean weld, metal to weld on. It'll be good.
Good morning.
Good morning. You guys gonna probe those trucks?
Oh, we have the problem okay.
Unless you're just dumping them straight in.
Yeah.
I guess there's no other bin really for them to go into, so.
Oh, we'll do that then.
Okay.
What time were you here, Richie?
We just got here. We just worked really fast.
Oh,
And then if we could find some red paint, might be hard to find around our shop. Alrighty, done. Start her up and I'll move this out of the way. See how tight it is, see if there's any. So what that arm does is that keeps it tight right there, and that already looks much better. Perfect. right, well, the boys, they're unloading the trucks. The wind is up. The sun is trying to make an appearance here. So it's 8:30 in the morning. I'm hoping I want to try finishing swathing before noon. I'm hoping it's a good thrashing day. The wind's supposed to be up. Hopefully the humidity is low and we can get thrashing. So I want to try to finish swathing so that, in hopes that they're going to need me for trucking. So yeah. Kind of looks like this is going to be what the day is going to be. Cloudy, not a good day for, well, swathing oats, combining oats. Not much of a good day for anything to do with field work. But with rain in the forecast tomorrow, our thoughts are is let's at least get this swath. Because if it's a pounding rain with oats, we get a pounding rain, it's going to get flatter and it could shell out on us. So it is better in swath than, it typically is better in swath than standing. Typically. Slow and steady. Hopefully we'll win the race. So if it's not weather that we're battling, there's lots of other things behind the scenes that we battle as well. A lot of our grain, well, pretty much all of our grain gets shipped by rail from the elevators. And we rely on the CN rail and the CP rail to move that grain. And we pre-sell enough grain, kind of predicting what we are going to yield so that we have enough bin storage. Because we don't have enough bin storage to bin all of our crop, we have to sell something. We have to sell off the combine because we have a lot of bin storage, but not enough for everything. And right now there's a bit of concern. We're going to find out tomorrow. But both CN and CP are looking like they're going to be, they could be going on strike. And the elevators are almost all, well, they're filling up. So we need those rail cars to move that grain. And if they don't move that grain, there'll be a lot of farmers that won't have the bin storage, and we are one of those that we'll have to find a different way to store our grain, because if the elevators can't take it, that means we got to get the crop off and we got to put it somewhere, and that is an added expense. We'll have to find different ways of storing it, whether it's in bags, piles, putting up another bin. So we are currently, Daryl is currently looking right now at feasibility of putting up another bin, or actually you can say feasibility, availability of putting up another bin, because often that stuff has already been, you pre-booked that a long time ago to get done in fall. So we're looking at different options, and in case they do go on strike, then we are, us farmers are, I know of other neighbors that are they're doing the same thing. They're lining up their different storage options in case this happens, because they don't have enough bin storage. So getting the crop off the field is one thing. With dealing with cloudy days that aren't good for much, we also have to deal with other stuff behind the scenes that we also have no control in. So, and those kind of things, the rail strike, that's something that we can't even, that sucks. But we'll find out tomorrow. We'll have a better idea possibly of how that's all going to go down. Well, I got 2 up and downs left. and I was hoping I have enough fuel that I wouldn't have to put any more in, but my beeper is going, and I really don't want to run out, so I'm only half a mile away from Daryl's yard, so to make sure I don't run out in the middle of the field, we're gonna whip in and get some insurance diesel fuel. There it goes again. And we got some areas here that are really flat. It's kind of nasty. Can't even really pick any of it up. It's that close to the ground, so. You gotta be kidding me. Are you serious? Now it looks like I ran out. I'll just go get the 1 ton.
There, please.
Yeah, that's fine. I'm literally right at the driveway ready to go, so I'm glad it didn't happen on the road.
Yeah, just been double checking. I know Danny got some diesel from there because he forgot his jerry cans for his Bobcat today, so forward some.
Oh.
You have to check and see whether there's enough in there to help me finish.
So close! Well, this is a first. I can honestly say we have never ran the Swather out of fuel, so hopefully it's not too hard to start. There we go, we're going. Whew, right on. Up and downs left, and I got this part right in here. It's pretty flat, so that sucks, but we're getting there. Sun is trying to make an appearance, but not looking very hopeful to top mine today. We'll see. We got a little bit of oats left on that last field that I do, but that's going to be honestly probably a week or two away. There is quite a bit of green in there, so the big push for swathing's over, and I finished, and the sun came out, so that's awesome. The wind's up. Let's hope we can go thrashing and get some acres in the bin before the rain comes. Cab oats. That looks wet. That looks very wet. Oh, yeah, that's wet. We're wet. Really wet. 23. Yeah, we're wet. 15.5. That's gross. Well, that's extremely disappointing. But when I saw it in the hopper there, I figured it was wet. But we're gonna keep plugging away. They're calling for rain, so we'll throw it in the aeration bin and see if we can dry it down. And yeah, sucks. It's hot and sunny, and you can't thrash anything. So, well. Well, we're going. Then if this is dry, you actually go straight to your yard and set the bin up or auger up. Actually, no. You make sure the combines keep going. You go out there, and I'll go there once I'm done.
Done unloading.
Yeah. Okay, we went in a different part of the field where we thought the straw was drier. Combines are able to go better. And now we'll see whether the moisture is any better. 28 degrees. It's going down. Whew, that's pretty good, eh?
I think so.
Done. Go.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, baby, we're dry.
Dude, do we even want to load this here?
Oh crap, that's 9. That's too dry. That's 12. We can put that in the big bin.
Okay, next load goes straight to my yard. Or do we even bother still unloading this?
Yeah,
load?
we're gonna unload it because the front's gonna be.
Are you sure? Because
Well, I don't.
that's why I said we want to go here.
Okay, we'll probe the front. Okay, 12. I was not expecting it to be that dry. That's awesome. Well, we've had a good little run here. Combines aren't breaking any record speeds, but we've got another truck full. This truck is just about full, and the grain cart looks like it's full. So it's Daryl in that combine over there, and what's that?
Going off and I don't know what it is.
Oh, what is it saying?
What?
I'll come there. Oh, great. Looks like we got issues. Oh, hydraulic valve. It's shut all your hydraulics off? Or are they locked?
I don't think so. No, they're not locked.
Is that hydraulic oil level? Okay, does your stuff work?
well, it went out, so I would say yes.
Okay, well move ahead and turn your PTO on. Let's see if we can get this thing emptied.
Well, I won't empty it,
Well, I'll get.
also, again, I should not use $100,000 correct?
Yeah, it could be.
Oh, well, how did that turn out?
But
All I did is do this.
well, there you go. You fixed it. No, you didn't.
No, never mind.
Try it again. I don't know. Did you move your spout? Oh, maybe your hydraulics aren't working. Yeah, they're working. I'll have to ask some questions regarding that. Dylan just going to the middle and then quitting. Back and forth, try it. Good. You bring it closer. Okay, well let's. I doubt it will have come done. But let's check that.
I'm not full, am I?
Yeah, you are. You don't even empty.
Why are the fault lines so long?
Oh, we'll throw it in the cart. Okay, we obviously got a sensor or something. R1 hydraulic is not working. That does that spout. So, yeah. It's still on? Okay. We'll figure that out. We'll have tomorrow to do that. Oh, fun little fact, swather, I swathed, what was that, just about 800 acres this year, and the only problem I had all year was I ran out of fuel. So I think that's pretty good. I didn't break a knife. Yeah, I'm trying to think. Nothing, not a guard, not a knife, nothing. So that's a pretty good year. Pretty good run at swathing. But they're forecasting 70% chance of 1 to 3 mils, and tomorrow doesn't look like it's supposed to be a great day. Hopefully after that things smarten up and we can get some sunny days that are lower humidity. But anyway, we had a good run later today. We had a good run at it. We've got some acres knocked off, and yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. The yield is this field is yielding also quite, actually very well. I think this is probably the best oats we've ever had on our farm. We'll see when we're all done, but it's looking really good. So that's another reason why we're having to drive really slow. It's because there's lots here. So we'll know when the field's done. Yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for taking the time to watch, and have yourself a good one.